This video tutorial I will explain what is DNS. Imagine you want to call your friend, but you only know their name, not their phone number. In that case, you would use Phonebook to look up their phone number, correct? Similarly, DNS is the giant phone book for the internet. Now we will see how DNS works. The first point is names to numbers. Every device connected to the internet like computers, smartphone and website has a unique number called IP address. It is like phone number for the internet. But remembering all those numbers would be impossible. In that case, DNS helps us to use easy to remember names instead, like website addresses. For example, www.google.com. The second point is address lookup. When you type a website address into your browser like www.google.com, your device needs to find out the IP address associated with that particular name. So the browser sends request to the DNS server, which acts as a digital phone book. Third point is finding the number. The DNS server looks up the website name in its records and finds the matching IP address. Once DNS server has IP address, the DNS server sends the IP address back to your device. Then using that IP address, your device can connect to the website. Fourth point is speed dial. DNS servers store the information of each website name and its corresponding IP addresses. Just like phone book stores lot of numbers. This way, when you visit the website you have been to before, your device does not have to look up the address again. It is like speed dial on your phone. In simple terms, DNS is like the internet's phone book, translating easy to remember names into the unique numbers that computer used to find each other on the web. Without DNS, navigating to the internet would be a lot like trying to call your friend without knowing their phone number. It just would not work. Here you can see DNS server. Here you can see the server which hosts Google website, and its IP address is here, and here is your device which is a laptop, and here you opened a web browser and types www.google.com. Then the request sent to the DNS server to find out the IP address of www.google.com. DNS server check its records and find out the IP address of www.google.com and provide the IP address back to the device. Then using this particular IP address, the device makes HTTPS request to this particular server which hosts Google website. Then this particular server processes the request and sends HTTPS response back to your device. That will be displayed in your browser. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.